Hello, everyone. So it's another update for the freelance template. I added a call to action section. I think I forgot to mention this in the video I made yesterday, but call to action section down here under the map. And then I added these link to the services page. So I put the mission statement up here. Disclaimer, I'm not a designer. I try my best. I couldn't really think of what to do here, but so I just kind of put it in a box. I'm still gonna like look around. I look for like Pinterest and like other websites kind of for inspiration as far as like how to the look of it or whatever. Like once I find something, I can pretty much match it in code. It's just coming up with the design itself I struggle with. But yeah, so I added I wanted to try overlapping elements. I've always seen it on websites, but I've never done it before. In most of the things that you saw, people use grid, but I actually figured out a way to use it with Flexbox. Really, all I just did was add a negative margin to push it up. Then I added a call to action button, and then I think that's all I added to this page. But it's also here. Let me do it. It's also responsive, and then as you move it here, at first it's centered, and then once it gets big enough to have enough space, I set a gap in between. Then they become side by side. And then once you have enough space, I just did justify content space between so they're not so smushed. So I'm making this template. I already have a client that I'll be using this template for, but I wanted to make a template just so that moving forward, I won't have to start from scratch ever again. I can play off this design. Eventually, I want to make like a couple templates, just to have ready-made designs already coded up, basically. So they only have 2 services to choose from, so that's why there's only 2 cards. But again, this uses Flexbox, so if I added a third card, I think the third one would probably be down here because it's centered and it's not enough room for them to be spaced out side by side. But yeah, thanks for watching.